I am going to show you the new feature that Instagram released to help us gain followers quickly, and I will also show you the followers I have gained with this method. So the first thing we are going to do is open the Instagram app. Then we are going to go here to this plus sign, which would be to upload a story or a reel. In this case, we are going to upload a reel to show you the functionality and how it works. We will upload this as an example. Click next. Here we already put the name of the reel. If we scroll down, here is the new functionality that says test. We have to activate this. Once we activate it, this message appears. At first, only people who do not follow you will see your reels. Here is the magic and the power of this, that only people who do not follow us and do not know us will see our reel. And if the reel is quite good, it's likely that they will start following us. Let's go back to show you two tests that I have uploaded so you can see how well they are working. Let's go to the profile, click here in the middle on Reels, and here on the left it says test. If you can see, we enter here and here we can see that I have uploaded two test reels. There we can see the statistics of how they are performing. If we enter one of them and click on this part, test reel, we can see all its statistics and we can also share it with everyone. What does this mean? Once we see that the reel has been viewed by many people who don't follow us, we will share it with everyone, including those who are already following us, so they take it into account. Now I will show you with these two test reels that I have uploaded how many followers I have gained, so you can see that it does work. If we click here on the little heart, look, today I have gained 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 new followers, and with the first reel I posted, I gained 1, 2, 3 followers. So, see, it is working. This method works very well for you to apply it, and leave me comments on how it works for you. Also remember to check the description of this video where I leave more recommended videos about Instagram, how to put music on your Instagram profile in Instagram notes, and other tips and advice that I'm sure you will like. So watch the recommended videos in the description now.